Good morning, everybody. Today I take your literature class, and in the previous day I have already completed chapter 12. Now I repeat again chapter 13. Today I discuss the story 13. The name of the story is Athuk and Pular, and it was the story of a boy named Athuk and his dog Pular. So, first of all, who is Athuk? Athuk was a boy who lived in Greenland, and Greenland was a chilly was a country. Greenland is a country which is totally throughout the year it was full of snow and ice totally, and the time was winter, and outside there is a dark covered with snow, and all hearts are closed except for the faint sunlight inside. Inside, lamps of steel are burned to give light and heat. At that time there was no oil like kerosene, petrol, diesel. Only the oil was what was got, that is seal from the fish of seal, and so the lamps of the earth were lighted by the oil of seal, and it gives us light and heat. So it was the story of a boy whose name was Athuk, and his favorite dog was named Pool. What he was called Pool? Because he always pulled his sledge, so he was called Puller. And Athuk's mother, when asked him, what will you call him? Athuk was the little puppy pulling with his strength at the piece of blubber. I shall call him Puller. So that's why he always pulled his sledge. So he was called Puller by Athuk. And when the winter was over, Athuk and Pular both had much to learn. Athuk had to learn how to guide a sledge, how to find the tracks which led to the ice where seals were, and how to throw the harpoon and spear. When the winter was over, he was learned these things. Pular learned to run with other dogs in harness and to pull Athuk's sledge. At first, a great block of ice was fastened to the harness, and Athuk shouted. When a piece of ice was fashioned to the harness, Athuk shouted, "Wheat, wheat." Wheat means go on, go on. Pular looked around as if to say, "Do you really want me to pull that thing?" The boy cracked his whip and shouted again. That is, he pulled the whip in the ground and he shouted again, "Wheat, wheat." Away Pular like the wind speeding across the frozen snow till the lump of ice broke against a rock. It was going on. When it was stopped, when the ice broke against a rock, then Pular waited for his master. He seemed to say, "Don't give me a silly bit of ice to pull. Little master, try me with your sledge." That is, there came a day when Pular showed what he could do. Winter had come again, and in this way the seasons rolled down again, and again winter came and brought sickness with it. And when winter came, there was a sickness everywhere. Many people were ill. Food and oil were becoming scarce, and the ladies got worried. Why the ladies got worried? Because the news came that seals had been seen, and Athuk's father was ill, and all the men and boys had gone off on a bear hunt several days before. "I will go hunting alone," said Athuk, and there was nobody there, and so Athuk wanted that he will go hunting alone. "I fear for you," said his mother. "Wait until the hunters return." The hunters were going. All the boys and men had gone off on a bear hunt several days before, so they had not returned till then. So his mother was very much afraid of Athuk. Why? Because he wanted to go alone. So he told his son to wait till the hunters return. Atuk shook his head and said, "We need food now, and any day snow may come, and then we cannot hunt. I will take Pular and my small sledge." That's why he gave a reason why he wanted to go alone. Because within a few days they had lost all their food, so they need food then. So for this reason, for the need of food, he had to come alone go, and he promised to his mother that he will take Pular and his sledge also. They reached the ice, and after a patient sweat, Atuk caught and killed a seal. He fastened it on his sledge and cried, "Who eat Pular?" for snow was beginning to fall. And when they, at that time, they caught and killed a seal, and they fastened it on the sledge and wanted to return to his house, and cried, "Who eat?" Because at that time the snowfall began. Soon nothing could be seen but the whirling flakes, and it grew so cold that Atuk became numb and sleepy. Due to the heavy snowfall, due to the heavy chilly cold, Atuk became numb and sleepy. Then the reins dropped from his frozen fingers, and Atuk fell from the sledge. And at that moment, Atuk fell from his sledge, and oof! Barked Pular again and again, as if to say, "Get up, little mustard." And he signed, he made a sign, that is, his dog Pular made a sign to get up. Slowly Atuk got up, tied himself to the sledge, and said, "Good Pular, go on, pull." And Pular did pull. He brought Atuk himself safely home. Then, with the inspiration of his dog Wolf, he again got up and returned to his home safely. And "Thank you," said the people in the village, and all the villagers thanked them. But Atuk brought them a share of the seal meat. "You must thank Pular," said Atuk. Atuk then told the people that these thanks was not for him enough, and it was for they had to give thanks to the Pular. Had it not been for him, if Pular had not been with him, it would be he would be lying frozen in the snow, and they would be going hungry to bed. That is, without Pular, it is not possible to return home. He acknowledged, he realized the people, he told the people that this thank is not proper for him. It is proper, it is justified to give thanks to Pular, because without Pular, with the help of Pular, Atuk got his life and he returned back home. So this is the story. I will repeat it again in your class, and in the next class I will give you word meanings and some question answers and other exercises. And now I give you your third term routine. Okay. So I will show you the routine of third term syllabus, third term examination. So you show your routine. Routine of third assessment 2020-2021. First slot login time 7:45 am to 8:15 am. Second slot login time 11:45 am to 12:15 noon. Date 1/3/2020 Monday, English language. 2/3/2021 Tuesday, English literature. 3/3/2021 Wednesday, second language Hindi or Bengali. 4/3/2021 Thursday, social studies. 5/3/2021 Friday, GK. 6/3/2021 Saturday, moral science. 7 Sunday, so 8/3/2021 Monday, mathematics. 9/3/2021 Tuesday, science. 10/3/2021 Wednesday, English grammar. 11/3/2021 Thursday, computer. 12/3/2021 Friday, third language Hindi Bengali. 13/3/2021 Saturday, SUPW. Exam starts 7:45 a.m. first slot and exam starts 11:45 a.m. second slot. Now I show this page once or 2 seconds. So today I repeat chapter 13 Athuk and Pular today, and I give you the routine of third assessment, final assessment 2020-2021. You must prepare yourself according to the date, and you must read the story thoroughly. Okay, thank you.